San Remeo, Northern Cebu. And as you can see, port operations here remain normal days before the long weekend. This All Souls Day and All Saints Day. When the 6.9 magnitude earthquake struck Northern Cebu a month ago, the Port of Agnaia sustained significant damages. But after conducting safety inspections, port officials here reopened 2 of 3 ramps to ensure uninterrupted travel between mainland Cebu and Bantayan Island. Although the port remained open, the influx of tourists heading to Bantayan Island, a popular beach destination in northern Cebu, has been severely impacted since the series of earthquakes struck last September. This is Morixet Eram, CDN Digital.